Namaste children, this is Mosmi here, science teacher, Mangala Vidya Mandira. Previous two lessons we have learnt about measurement. Measurement is most important, so you all should remember the conversion of measurement what we already done. Now today I am going to start with textbook lesson. I know you didn't have collected your textbook, but we have already shared the link, so you should follow that link and start your reading. Now before starting the lesson, let us see how many chapters are there in this year to study. So this is the content in the textbook for this year, 7th standard. So you have total 18 lesson. Okay, in this 18th chapter today I am going to start with the lesson 1 or chapter 1, nutrition in plant. Okay, nutrition in plants. So nutrition means how we are getting food and getting nourishment to our body, any living organism, that is the nutrition. So that means getting food, taking food to maintain our body is nourishment. 2. Let us see how many points we have to discuss in this chapter. First one is introduction, then mode of nutrition in plants, photosynthesis, then other mode of nutrition in plant. Introduction. So food is most essential for all the living organism, and we are getting energy, how we are growing, everything depends on our food, and food has that substance which is most essential for our body nourishment as well as growth and life maintenance. So that is called nutrients. There are some nutrients present in the food, and from food only we will get the nutrients. So carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals are the common or essential nutrients. So how we are getting food, what is the sources? So we all know plants are the basic sources of food. So all green plants can prepare their own food by photosynthesis. But other than green plants, those who can't do photosynthesis, that plant, animals and human beings, they all are directly or indirectly depends on the plants for their food. Now let us see what is the modes of nutrition in plants. So mode of nutrition in plants will be divided into two types, autotrophic and heterotrophic. Autotrophic means, auto means self, so those who will prepare or produce their own food, they are called autotrophic. Heterotrophic means the plants, those who will depends on other plants or other things for their food or nutrition, they are called heterotrophic. So hetero means other. Now autotrophic is two-way, photoautotropic, chemoautotropic. Photoautotropic, photo means light energy, so the plants, those who will prepare their food with the help of photo or light energy, they are called photoautotropic, and those who will use the chemical energy for preparing their food, they are called chemoautotropic. So all green plants, algae, green bacteria, purple or red bacteria, these all are called they will do photoautotropic nutrition, and chemoautotropic, nitrifying, then iron and sulfur bacteria they will do. So today we will discuss about photoautotropic nutrition, and next afterwards we will discuss heterotrophic nutrition. Photoautotropic, nothing but photosynthesis. So presence of sunlight, how plants will prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide and water, that is photosynthesis. So before coming to the point of photosynthesis, let us learn a little bit about the cell, because inside the cell only this photosynthesis will happen. How? Because chlorophyll is present inside the cell. So let us see first cell. Cell is the basic tiny unit of all living organism. Okay, and in 1665 Robert Hooke has discovered cell. So he did that dry cork of thin slice he kept in under the microscope, and he observed that appearance like honeycomb, small box, and he decided afterwards. Later Leeuwenhoek he observed that living cell under the microscope, and so these two person has great achievement or in discovery of cell. So if we observe cell is like that, it will cover with a cell membrane, then one dark point will be there, that is called nucleus, and inside that one jelly like substance will be there, that is called cytoplasm. Inside the cytoplasm there will be so many cells organelles. So in that cells organelles, if we take the plant cell, in that cells organelles so many things are present like chlorophyll, chloroplast, then for animal cell mitochondria, ribosome, lysosome. So that you will learn afterwards. Okay, so this is the basic cell. So why I telling you the cell, because we are going to discuss afterward about the chloroplast. Chloroplast is nothing but the pigment present inside the cell. Okay, now this already we know photosynthesis we need carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide, how plants will get the carbon dioxide inside the cell? So that will go through the stomata. So stomata is the tiny pores present in the surface of the leaf, and which helps to exchange the air. Okay, so if you see this see here, so here if we observe the small tiny pores will be there. So through this carbon dioxide will go inside the leaf, and oxygen and water will come out from the leaves. So stomata, so it will open and close. Okay, now come to the point, chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is most important during the photosynthesis, because the photosynthesis actually happen inside the chlorophyll. Okay, inside the chloroplast chlorophyll is present. So chlorophyll only this, so it is the green pigment present in the leaf. Because of that we can see plants are green or leaves are green. So this is inside the leaf, chloroplast is like this. Okay, now it will capture the sunlight, okay, energy from the sunlight. Now we got carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata, and chlorophyll will capture sunlight, and we will get water through the root. So now we have all the material present like carbon dioxide, water and sunlight, and chlorophyll inside everything reached. Now photosynthesis happen. So the process of making own food by green plants in the chlorophyll present in leaves with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide is known as photosynthesis. Okay, so carbon dioxide, water how they will get, I discussed. From the roots will collect water and mineral, and inside the root there are xylem, one tube like cell structure is there, tissue structure is there, that will reach to the leaf or other parts of the plant, and through that way also food, whatever food they will prepare, that will distributed among the. Now this is the process, carbon dioxide plus water with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, carbohydrates. So what they are preparing? They are preparing carbohydrate. It will store in the plant as a starch, and they will release oxygen. Now you come to the point of photosynthesis. It is very useful and most essential, because for all the living organism we are getting food and oxygen, which is the main thing for the life process we are getting from the plants. So plants are most important and essential. Now see, in your textbook it is like that, Bhoju is there. So Bhoju has observed some plants are deep red or violet or brown colors, okay, but he is thinking that is there photosynthesis happen or not. We also see, we will see your text. The leaves other than green also have chlorophyll. The large amount of red, brown and other pigment mask the green color. Photosynthesis takes place in these leaves also. So these kind of leaves, these leaves also have chlorophyll, okay, but other color is so bright, that's why we can't see the green color, but it is present inside. So like slimy green patches in ponds or stagnant water bodies, okay, some places we will see the stagnant water and all, they are greeny like slippery, we can observe. So this greeny form is nothing but algae. So this also prepare their food, as this green color is nothing but chlorophyll, so they also prepare their food. Now so I think Bhoju has got his answer, that photosynthesis can be happen in these plants also, as well as we can see some green patches like algae also prepare their food. So in this period we have learned about the photosynthesis. So I hope you have understood. Any doubt you can ask to the WhatsApp group, okay, and neatly you should read the textbook till this much, how much, and other mode of nutrition we will learn next class, like heterotrophic nutrition, okay. I will share this exercise notes and extra point to the PDF format, and today you have to complete that whatever definition I have given, like cells, stomata, photosynthesis and chlorophyll, neatly you should write down in your classwork, okay. So how we will start the classwork, neatly we will write off the chapter name, today's date, then you should start the writing of the points, okay, and neatly you will draw the diagram also.